Kablao, to our guest of honor and speaker this morning, Director Cecil Pasawil, ma'am. So, thank you very much for gracing our event. Saganan sa ating pagkakanya tatata. But at the same time, of course, I would like also to acknowledge our municipal officials, of course, led by the members of the Sangguniang Bayan, Vice Mayor Attorney Gilar Galuan, sir. Good morning. Councilor Attorney Bartolome Baldas Jr., Councilor Tyrone Diaz, Councilor Richard Wacnisan, Councilor Horacio Ramos Jr., Councilor Jason Dagwa, Councilor Johnny Poro, sorry. And at the same time, Councilor Belmar Ellis, so na po tinag-author, dito yung man rason, no, apay nga datay tagtaa po dito yun. So palakpakan tayo may mandisang ko ng kaya. Because without them authoring this particular ordinance, awan ang ultiman programa, nga saksakon tayo tataapon ang sama. And again, allow me again to express our appreciation to our barangay officials, punong barangay Mona Lisa Comila, ma'am, punong barangay Milagros Pamilan, punong barangay Osborne Bisaya, punong barangay Milicio Urin, punong barangay Paul Bacuso, ganda kitiman, barangay Kagawan City, 16 barangays, palakpakan tayo matlang. Barangay officials. And again, also ada dito ni former Municipal Councilor Marcelo Avila. Sir, good morning as well. So, nainaganan ang amin ni Vice Mayor Gilar Galuan, ang amin na sektor tayo, inya, may importante dito of course, our department heads, thank you very much for being here. Dagito'y senior citizens tayo, our women's sector, the LGBT, IQ plus sector, our persons with disability sector, thank you very much. Our solo parents, our IP sector, Latrigan People's Council, our Barangay Human Rights Action Officers, Barangay God Focal Persons, our CSO, NGOs, and POs, the IPP, Integrated Bar of the Philippines, the DOH, and then our Sangguniang Kabataan sector, and of course, we are being covered nationally by Rappler Philippines. Ma'am Mia, thank you very much for hosting live. And of course, our media friends from the PTV Cordillera, Herald Express, amaminan, ganda nito our friends, amamin tayo dito again, a pleasant good morning to one and all. So, inya ba, dito yung celebration tayo tata, kasi baga ni Vice Mayor Gilar Galuan Tantay. Dati yung baga ng words, ang pinaka-importante niya, kaya kuman ga-explain ka na kayo, dagiti words ka dagito, because that is the essence of why we are celebrating the Human Equality Expo tatapo ng Sapa. Umuna, again, we thank the Sangguniang Bayan for institutionalizing this activity. Meaning, from now on, in the next year thereafter, there will be Equality Expo in the municipality of La Trinidad. So, inpilit ni Councilor Belmar dito, amuyo ba? Dapat kung ano, next year pa ilang naman celebrate. Kaputawan po doon na magkapo, itikinataraki, itiman Sangguniang Bayan tayo, and our vocal persons will let it be celebrated this year. May kusulat nila, na at naman celebrar tayo dito. So basically, dito yung institutionalized tayo. Meaning, from now on, in the next year thereafter, there will be Equality Expo in the municipality of La Trinidad. So, inaman Equality Expo. Okay, laglagipan tayo, may celebrar tayo, iti man pag may sa amin nga sektor dito yung man munisipyo de La Trinidad. At dati makunang kami yung vulnerable sector. Dagito yung sektor, nga doon iti programa na iti munisipyo de La Trinidad, di ba? At dati school parents, senior citizens, IP, youths, LGBTQIA, the women's, etc. etc. Dagito yung vulnerable sector. So, kada yung programa tayo. Tapos makita yung Municipal Social Welfare and Development. So, dagito yung vulnerable. Kat, di kaya tayo, kat dapat ngay equal ang amin. The opportunity, the amin na sektor, regardless no inyaman di sektor apo ngayon mo. So, dyan si kaya tayo karamitan dito Awan di na itutuma, awan di second class, ang amin tayo, first class. Dahil di kahit na ako kahit na ngay baga, dahil man equality expo tayo because there will be no vulnerable sector because everyone would now be a first-class citizen in the municipality of La Trinidad. Dahil ako ito. Okay? So, equal opportunity, So, numan, makikita tayo, dagito man, doon mga sektor tayo, it would be an equal opportunity for all, regardless of which sector you came from. Diyan kaya tayo ako dito eh. So, hanggang may baga nga siya kang PWD ak lang, PWD ak, ano day? Amoy baga ka solo parents ka, kaputa dito lang rindan, solo parents kami. Sa di magbaga na. Amoy baga ka, senior citizens kami lang, awanin, tisal sa bibihan. Dito lang rindan, si kakat senior citizen. Nawan ti senior citizen, awan ti programa, di ba? Awan ti participant. Nawan ti senior citizen, awan naging professionals na ta, nagserserbi, matang kanda kayo, kaputa na kayo, tinagserbi, kanda kami, hindi man open kami. Kasi apoy dito na. And at the same time, again, let this be an advocacy. Advocacy yan tayo. Ngayon lawak tayo, matiti munisipyo tila Trinidad, awan apoy tinatungtuma. We should treat everybody as equal. Awan apo tinatungtuma because isuti turong apoy ti munisipyo tila Trinidad. An equal opportunity for all, regardless of what sector you came from. So again, dito makuna ng inclusivity. The inclusivity, dito di pa nagplanon. Iti munisipyo, iti man programa, proyekto kan aktibidad. Iso nga nagplano tayo, panpanunutan tayo ni solo parents, ni senior citizens, ni LGBTQ, ni women sector, ni youths, kantado pa kayo amin na sector. It must be inclusive. Masapon nga panpanunutan tayo. What are the limitation? The limitation, kitangan tayo tap natin ti solusyon na. What are the challenges? Kitangan tayo, tapno at damat lang ako, itikas lang sumbat na, dagajay man ako, masalsaludsod. And that is what we want to pursue. Moving forward, again, La Trinidad treats you as equal. Awan ako tinitugtuma. Dahil ti kayat na ako nagturungan, dahil yung man programa tayo tata ako kamadama. It is because it is useless, no man progresibo ti La Trinidad, no at ako tinabati ng sektor. Masapol ng may sa tayo moving forward, masapol ng may sa tayo ng progreso as one community. So again, in behalf of the Municipality of La Trinidad, we congratulate every sector. Sapay kumatahan nyo, kitaan nga nitong duma kayo. Sapay kumatakitaan nyo, nga importante kayo, iti progreso, iti munisipyo ako, iti La Trinidad. So with that, pleasant good morning and thank you very much.